Hello, welcome to the third video in your series here to introduce you to the basics to D2L. This video we're going to look at the pager and email function. This allows you to communicate with your fellow students. It also allows you to communicate with your instructors. So you can ask for help or you can ask for clarification. So there's a couple ways I'm going to teach you how to do pager. I'll teach you the simpler way, and then I'll show you a little more, not necessarily complex, but just a slightly different routine. The simplest way is, first of all, you're going to have to choose a course. So I'm going to choose a course for this one here. I'm going to do Social 30. And what you have to do is you go into the resource icon, you click on Class List. And from this class list, it gives you a variety of options. You can see that from this page, once you're in this page, you can see who a student is. You can also see your instructor. And you would also, if there's a little green icon, you could see that those persons are actually logged on. For example, I'm logged on as this student, and so you can see that there's a green. From this page here, if you want to page somebody, you just have to click, and as part of the instructions is that you have to page your instructor. So you would click who you want, and it simply states instructor, so very easy to see. And then you would hit page. And from this, simple message box comes in, and the internet seems to be slow today. But from here, you're going to be able to page your instructor or other students if you want to page them as well, if you have a question from another student or an issue of some sort. For some reason we're having a little delay here in the page, but this is one way. So while we're waiting for this to come up, the other way to come up and page someone is going through the communications icon. And again, you can see the pager or email, and we're going to look at doing both. So we'll do the pager icon here. And I'll bring this down. And you can either do class lists. So once you get to know someone in your class, you'll be able to just page them directly from this way. The challenge is for this instructions is that I want you to page your instructor. And this doesn't tell you who your instructor is, this from this section. So you can do inbox, you can designate specific friends, or you can do a class list. So if you already have a page, someone's page, you can respond to a page. For example, this is me and I had paged this student. So this is one way of doing it. Again, the only challenge for this activity that we expect you to do is to be able to page your instructor, and it doesn't tell you who the instructor is until you go into class list. So let's go, we're into class list. Let's hit page again, see if there it is. So you'd want to introduce yourself. I am new to your class. And you simply hit send. So it tells you sent successfully. Also, we have to teach you how to email your instructor, or if you want to email another student. It's very simple, same thing. You have to decide who you're going to email. It will also prompt you if you don't have that. So I'll show you that. So if you want to hit email, it's going to ask you to select. Okay, I haven't selected somebody. I need to go back. I'm going to select this person, hit email. And again, the email thing comes up, tells you who you're going to go to. If you want to CC someone or be blind CC, that's standard. Introduce yourself on yours. You want to spend a little bit of time, a focus of what's important to you. The directions are pretty straightforward. What you value or what you like about this subject. I like social because, oops, spell it right. It's awesome. And when you're done, you hit send. Now you can change, you can see that it's been sent successfully, also tells you here as well, and you can simply close that. So that is the pager and email icon. Again, the easy way is through class list, through your resources, or you can go into pager email. With this email section here, a little harder to find, again, the lists. This is the easiest way. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the third one. Next one, we're going to look at how to find your content and things like that.